Hey y'all, and welcome back to week 10 of our makeup mastery series. And girl, I am here to tell you that you are applying your mascara wrong, and that's why your lashes continuously look clumpy. Let me show you how to get long, lush lashes each and every time without them looking clumpy. One of the main reasons your lashes are coming out clumpy is because you do not wipe the wand off. You have too much product on your wand. What you want to do is you want to take a little napkin. You want to wipe a little bit of that product off because it's too much, and too much product will give you those spider lashes, and we don't want spider lashes. Okay. Now, the second problem, you're choosing the wrong mascara for your age. As we get older, we don't want volumizing mascara. We want lengthening mascara. If you do want to add a bit more volume to your lashes, then the best thing to do is just to choose a mascara that has some fibers in it. I use them all the time. I really enjoy them. Two that I can recommend is going to be MAC Magic Extensions and then the Wake the Fake. Look at any of my previous videos. I use those on a consistent basis because they add a little fibers. What I would recommend is to go ahead and put on a lengthening mascara and then go ahead and throw on your fibers because it's just going to add a little bit of extra length to the tip of your lashes. And baby, we all know we need some extra length around here. Okay, moving on. Another thing that people forget to do when they are applying mascara is to wiggle the wand. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Why did I break out a dance like that? I don't know. When you starting at the root or the base of your lashes, you want to wiggle your wand because what that's doing is it's separating your lashes and is adding that volume to your lashes, and it's doing magic, y'all. I don't know what it is, but it's doing magic. I'm looking at my lashes today going, oh my God, Becky, look at her lashes. I'm telling you, try it. Okay, you heard it here first. Try it. Now this right here, of course, is the secret sauce because I did mention using multiple mascaras, and we always gonna double up, triple up, double up, triple up. I am gonna say double up, and if you want triple up, you just got to make sure that the mascara don't dry down. I'm gonna start off with my lengthening mascara, and then I'm gonna go in with my volumizing mascara directly after that. The trick here is to just make sure that it does not dry down on you, because if you've ever tried to apply mascara on top of dry mascara, honey, them lashes don't go nowhere. Stiff as a board. I like to use my eyelash curler. That is a game changer. If you don't have one, get one. I curl my lashes in between each application really quick though. Curl it, move on, apply my next layer of mascara. Now, if you want to go 2-3 layers of lengthening and then volumizing, that's fine. But you can get this length. Look at my lashes. You can get this length with just your own lashes. When I tell you I was shocked, honey, yes, child, I was shocked, okay? I'm just saying. If you end up doing this and you go too hard in the paint with all your layers, you can use a comb and you can get a little bit of extra clump out. What we're trying to do is prevent clumps. So make sure you have a little lash comb. It does come in handy in case you overdo it. You out there doing too much. Lee didn't tell you to do all that, okay? I told you just do enough, just enough to get you some length and get you some volume, not all that extra. Okay, I'm full of jokes, okay, y'all? Last but not least is I do take my mini mascara, a mini wand. Nah, I kind of like this wand and I kind of don't, okay? Because I will tell you this, the lengthening mascara wands, their wands are very slim. Now, if you look at that volumizing mascara wand, it is full, it is fluffy. I take my mini mascara and I apply that on my lower lashes, so I don't have to worry about touching my makeup at the very bottom. That's it. So you can choose to use your lengthening mascara at the bottom. Just be very careful. Hold your wand up and down. I like to go side to side and up and down because you know what this does? It opens up your eyes. Oh, let me back up. Your girl did tightline her eye. We talked about that last week when we talked about eyeliner, because we want to make sure that our eyes are on point. Let's fast forward, okay? Back to our lower lash. I just make sure that my bottom lashes are covered like this, and then boom, we are in it to win it, per se. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So now that your lashes are doing what they need to do, you gotta make sure that your eyeliner is on point. And I do that by showing you what to do in this video right here last week, where you don't have no harsh line and some tips and tricks on how to get the best eyeliner out there. So y'all make sure y'all go check that out. And I will see y'all next week when we talk about how to tackle fine lines for mature skin, honey, because we may get mature, but we still fine. All right, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe and I'll see y'all next week.